Hello and welcome to this low production value video here. And so I am just here recording from my USB stick because I want to try out something. So on my USB stick I still have the Budgie Desktop for the 10.5-2 version. And so we had the problem with the 10.5-3 version, but this has been fixed according to this bug report. So I want to try out and basically install or update the system and check out if this fix actually fixes it. So if you look at the actual, like the package name now, it's 10.5.1-1. So this is not the same as it's written here, but if you check out the changes here, you can see that. So we had 10.51, 10.52, 10.53, and then there was like 27 hours ago updated to this version, which is kind of looks like a git commit name from the Git repository of the Budgie Desktop from the Solus project. So they just probably renamed it, I guess, to this 10.5.1-1. So if you are curious what's that, so the package versioning should follow some kind of format. So the package version cannot contain a hyphen, it can contain points, numbers, letters, etc. And there is the package release number, which is consecutive builds of the same version of the package, fixes and additional features are added. So the package release should be increased, the number. So here you can see, so what happens is like package version dash package release. So here we've gone from 10.5 third release to the first release of 10.5.1 version of the Budgie Desktop. So according to the forum, this solves the problems we had, namely that the Budgie Desktop does not run with the number 3 version over there. So let's update our whole system. Sudo pacman syu, that's what I want. And so this will take a long time because the USB stick operating system have not been updated for a very long time. And so I will, you can see a lot of updates are available for us here. And among that are the Budgie Desktop 10.5.1-1 version, and of course the Budgie extras are also, etc. So let's update it and let's cut to the future in a few seconds, and so you can see the results of this update immediately. And cut, I guess. Okay, now, so the update is finished, so let's try to log in to our Budgie Desktop from the USB stick. Will it work now? Yeah, it does work, so it's time to go back to the screen recording. Okay, hello. So, it seems like we have updated our system and we managed to log in, so just check if everything is alright by pacman-qi Budgie Desktop, and Pacman is going to tell us that now we have 10.5.1-1, which was built on the 4th of October, Friday. So this is done. So good news, the new update fixed the problem with the Budgie Desktop. So now you can update your system without the fear of not being able to use it. So that was it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.